two websites that will turn you into productivity machines. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you about these two websites. The first website was Trello.com. So Trello is a project management tool where you guys can share your project with your team and manage together, and that has a lot of options, and you guys can use it if you are especially freelancer or an digital marketer. There is a lot of benefits of Trello. You guys will simply search for Trello on Chrome, and here you guys will simply click on that first website, Trello. Once we click here you guys will simply sign up, and once you sign up, after that you guys can use it. You guys can share your Trello with your team and manager and other people that you want. The second website will be Clockify.me. So basically, here that website track your work time like a pro. Here you guys can progress your clients' works and other meetings and a lot of things. So these two websites are very powerful, and these websites you guys can use it. Thanks for watching.